What's good, everybody? Thanks for tuning into the channel and welcome to my Thursday Throwdown submission. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Thursday Throwdown is a weekly trick challenge initiated by WallBanger FPV, and this week he's got us doing trippy spins. Now, up until recently, I've had little to no desire to ever really learn how to trippy spin, but due to unforeseen circumstances, I'm one of the lucky pilots that WallBanger chose to attempt this trick challenge. I'm going to be honest with you, I got about 4 or 5 hours logged in the flight simulator practicing trippy spins alone. IRL, way less than that. And transferring that skill from simulator to real life just didn't come as easily for me as I thought it would. So my first few attempts at trippy spins, I gotta tell you, man, it was not pretty. But I'll let you be the judge for yourself. Check this out right here.
Flipping out, no feelings, man, no feelings. I mean flipping out. I'm tripping, hey, yeah, tripping. Oh, you wanna roll with the big dogs? Smoke a little draw with the big dogs. Pass that hen dog. Take one shot, then the Evo. Put the tab on your tongue, let it ease off. And I got something to share, you can get involved. Listen to Grateful Dead and I'm tripping balls. Hopping that UFO and I lift off. Yeah, fuck your plug, fuck your drugs. I got my own, nigga. Took a stem in the caps to the dome, nigga. I ain't been this high since Coachella. New level, I can feel it, psychedelic. Please do not fuck with my energy. Is you my friend or my enemy? I can do this till infinity. Sipping got me twisted up.
Yep, that's about it, man. However, this past Friday, one day after WallBanger released his Trippy Spin Trick Challenge video, even before I knew that my name was associated with it at all, I was out practicing again. And this time around, much better at my trippy spins. I can't quite say that any of them were real successful, but you can definitely see the progression in my skill set with the trippy spins. So check this out right here. Hold on, wait, DC. Shout out to you, heads. Damn right, your boy's getting much better at them shits. WallBanger wants us to tag 3 other pilots to attempt this trick challenge every week. So the 3 pilots that I have chosen are Benadryl Bill FPV, TS13 FPV, and my boy Kmart FPV. If any of you guys already know how to trippy spin, cool. Let me see your skills. Let WallBanger peep your skills. If you don't know how to trippy spin already, I highly encourage you to get out there, break some shit attempting it, and just add one more skill to your repertoire of flight. Until next time, this is King.Kieck-The signing off. Stay high, everybody.